name is Paulina Alexandriana Londa and my student number is 015.
Next is I'm Gabriela Williamson and my student number is 026.
And my name is Termaida Pradana, my student number is 005.
Me, Alicia Masaya
And my student number
013. Yay!
So, from the first part, I will explain the regional dialects versus regional dialects. So, regional dialects is a reflex speech from a specific area, or such as local flavor from places like this example video. They use Bandung, Sunda State language. And social dialect is your spot vibes or source group identity, like urban students, casual slang versus locals polite tone. And I have two example sentences from this video. From the first one is Dinten maneh hiteng istana asoka kuring hoyong maneh tinggalkan si ramah wan. Teteh uses this sentence from Bandung Sunda. The terms like kuring for I and maneh for you. In Japanese is like koi. This highlights her vocal village style. So for this first sentence, it means like I want you to live. And the second is nyaman atuh kang tempatnya teh luas pisan, kamarnya besar, dapurnya lengkap. Teteh describes the house with Sunda words. Like atuh, it means like yes or okay, and kang is like a brother. And pisan is very. The standard is like in Indonesian is like nyaman kok tempatnya luas. In youth slang in Indonesia it's like luas banget. It shows polite local hospitality versus students casuals.
Hi guys, so I can tell you about non-standard varieties and standard varieties. Okay, the first I will tell you about standard varieties, and actually with Ravana attitude like that, Sinta should know that Ravana really loves her. So it's that full sentence and standard vocabulary. And then the non-standard varieties is that Dinten Manhattan istana asoka kuring hoyong maneh ninggalkan is Ramahawana. Is that Sundanese dialect, it's kuring and then it means like that is a unique syntax. Okay, and the second I'll tell you the standard varieties is that they are times when love and loves are often grouped. Is that formal praising, and then the non-standard varieties is that so according to you, Ravana is it love or lust because of Sinta's beauty? It means like teh, it means like sis, and that is a casual address.
I want to explain standard and non-standard varieties. The first sentence is Ayo atuh kadieu makan, hebuda mang tadi nuhun. It is not standard speech. Standard form, come on, please come here to eat. Atuh and kadieu are Sundanese words. In standard Indonesian, atuh can be omitted or replaced with a more polite word such as please. Kadieu means come here. Non-standard speech, mang tadi. Standard form, uncle earlier or sorry earlier depending on the context. Mang is a term of address for an uncle or older person in Sundanese. In this context, it can be a term of respect or an apology if there has been a previous mistake. Non-standard speech, nuhun. Standard form, thank you. Nuhun is the Sundanese word for thank you. In standard Indonesian, it is replaced with terima kasih. And the second sentence, Nyingka Madieu balik sia mane ka gunung Kelea ima. It is non-standard. Standard form, go from here, go back to the mountain to the empty house. Nyingka is non-standard. The standard is go. Man is not standard and the standard is from. Dieu is not standard and the standard is here. Sia is not standard and the standard is you. Mane is not standard and the standard is you. Ka is not standard and the standard is tu. La Levea is not standard and the standard is empty. In this context, referring to an uninhabited or empty house. Imah is not standard and the standard is home.
And last but not least, I will explain code switching. So what is code switching? Code switching is a practice shifting between two or more languages, accents, dialects, or style of speech in the conversation. This usually used to fit social situation and to express identity. The first example is the sentence Pri, terima kasih ya udah mau nemenin nonton wayang golek. The speaker used Indonesian language. Meanwhile, the sentence mana jauh pisan is a Sundanese language. Example 2 is aya naon sama rumah kosan yang kalian tempati itu. The sentence aya naon is Sundanese language, which means what's wrong. Well, sama rumah kosan yang kalian tempati itu, the speaker shift into